Hello guys, today with another tutorial we will show you how to disable antivirus from your computer. Come on and use this application. All what you need to do is install it. That will not cost your money or time. You have the freedom on what you will use with it. Check the agree button to pass at the next step. Choose where you will locate it. Confirm you are okay on this. Choose what you want or leave it as it is. That will take a little time, please wait. Open the application and let use it. Then our easy method. That the face of that application looks like simple. You can enable or disable your Windows features without command. Also you can choose what language you want to display at that application. Turn off Windows Defender now by check the box, then click Apply Now. If confirmed, click Yes. A computer will restart. Do not worry, you can trust me that easy method. After restarting the computer, now we try if the Windows Defender got disabled. Come on, go search and type Windows Defender. We'll show the name of it at top of search list. All what you need to do, click on it. Let's see if we allow to open the Windows Defender Center. Is that enough proof of that application? For me, I use it to open game loader or trainers, which is what they call memory editor, and that Windows Defender detected as virus cause is change value of system or other applications as games. After you done, enable Windows Defender back.